Hello, everyone. Good day and welcome to class. This is a practical class, and so after everything, you need to try it on your laptops. Today, we want to look at the topic Home tab, the Home tab. That's what we'll be considering today. Remember that last week we talked about some terms in Excel, and then we saw how to customize the quick access toolbar. This is it, quick access toolbar. So today we want to look at the home tab. Now, right under your quick access toolbar, you have some tabs. You have the file tab, the home tab, insert, page layout, formulas, tab, review, and then view tabs. These are all tabs that you have in Excel. And then we will be looking at the home tab. Right in the home tab, you have some group of commands that have been grouped together, like this clipboard group. It contains cut, copy, format, printer, and paste. Then you have the font group, you have alignment group, you have number group, styles group, cells group, and editing group. These are groups that you have, and they are all in your home tab. So today we'll be looking at what we can do with our home tab. With your home tab, you'll be able to copy or move the content from one place to another. You'll be able to add formatting effects like this page. There's a kind of formatting that has been done on this. Then you'll be able to format your numbers with decimals and other kinds of specification. More so, you can insert, delete rows, columns, and worksheets. And then you can do some sorting and filtering using your home tab. So that is what we'll be looking at today. Now, the first group that you have in your home tab is your clipboard group. And so we want to work with the clipboard group first. Okay. So let's go back to the work I gave us to do last week. This is it. You were asked to type these names and then to save them with your name. So we'll be using it. Now, if I want to copy everything I have in my cell, in my column B, everything in column B, and I want to copy it to column J, all I need to do is click on the first cell of that column, and then on my keyboard, I will press the shift down. While the shift is pressed down, I will click on the last cell where I intend to stop copying, and that is cell B11. I have clicked on it. That has enabled me to highlight everything. In Excel, you need to learn how to highlight. So I have been able to highlight everything in cell B. Remember, I will go over what I did. I will click on the first cell of that column that I want to highlight. I'll press my shift down, the shift on your keyboard. Then I'll click on the last, the end of it. This is it. I've highlighted everything. So I will come to my clipboard, the group, that group called clipboard. I'll click on my copy. I've been able to copy it. So I want to paste it here. I'll come over here. I'll select paste. So it's been pasted there. If I also want to paste it here, I'll come over here and I'll select what? Paste. That's how we copy and paste. So we can also cut. I want to cut everything in this particular column. I want to cut everything. I've highlighted it, so I'll select my cut. I've cut it. I want to paste it around here. I'll come over here and I'll select paste. So that is how we cut, copy, and paste in Excel. There are shortcuts to this. Instead of coming to select your copy, you can use your Control plus C, Control C. You select Control on your keyboard and then you use C. That is for copying. Then if you want to paste, you use Control plus Control V for pasting. Okay, those are the shortcuts. Then if you want to cut, you can use Control plus X. It helps you to what? To cut. So the last thing we'll quickly look at is this format Painter. So let's use this. I have formatted this particular worksheet. I have used some kind of table formatting on it. Okay, let me start by formatting this quickly. Let's format the whole of this column B. I want to format the table maybe using this particular style. Okay, so I have formatted it this way. Let's assume I want to copy the format that I have here, not the content, but just the format, like the paint that I have in this particular column. So I would come over after highlighting what I want to copy, the format I want to copy. I'll come to paint, to format painter, and double click on format painter. Double click on it. Remember, double click on format painter. And wherever it is that you want to paste it, you come over and paste. I want to paste, I want to paste, I want to paste, I want to paste. So that is all we can cover for today. Thank you and bye.